episode of A Project a Day. I'm Damla and this is Rana from Team 3646. Today we're going to talk about our trip to Antep to teach young girls how to code.
As a team, we really give importance to visit different cities in our country and organize some workshops in order to inspire little children. A few months ago, we had a chance to visit Antep. It was a public primary school in a small village, and we again had a chance to spread our values that we actually believe in and teach those girls little about coding and programming by the help of Code.org.
As a part of our Girls First Turkey campaign, we try to inspire other girls to become a better version of themselves. So, by going to Antep, we try to show the girls that they can code too.
So even if we could inspire just one girl in that group, it is such a great success for our team. We're so honored to be in this kind of project.
Yeah, so that was all for today. Thank you for listening. See you in another episode of A Project a Day.